I've actually never personally eaten here myself. However, just looking at the menu, I wouldn't say that they're really the lowest prices of this style of place. I was expecting them to be a bit cheaper. However, there was many things on the menu that was reasonably priced. A place here that you can get some delight. This place actually does sushi as well, which is a good collection. There's an idea of the prices, guys. This is an English menu, I can tell. Hardwood tables, soft cushion seating, grill. They have all that. So Majelle, Sulama. That's the inside of the food available to you guys. A bit. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here today in Kuta, stroke Legian, a place called Legian Food Court. So this place is going to be a place basically full of little eating warungs that are going to be selling reasonably cheap food for you guys. This is quite close to the main Legian, which is the main tourist streets that runs from Kuta to Seminyak along Legian Street. This isn't too far walk away from there, and this is I'm just gonna provide you with an option for you if you want to come and eat at some local, authentic little warung style places, all congregated together. This is the court. So Majelle, Sulama. So this place sells a mixture of food, Western, Indonesian, Chinese. Side of the restaurant, hardwood tables, hardwood chairs. Okay, so just next door is Warung Kepak Manis. This place sells Indonesian and Western food. Has a collection of hardwood tables and hardwood chairs. It's just a small restaurant. Some of the prices and the Western foods available to you guys. And next you have Indonesian, Balinese food. Okay, and just next door to that one we have another place here selling Indonesian and Western food. Even pizza. Have some hardwood seating inside. Here's the Indonesian food, guys, to give you some idea of prices. And these are the pizzas available to you. Next place we have, guys, this is called Mexican. So we have hardwood tables, soft cushion seating, hardwood chairs, and a Mexican themed restaurant. So here's just a guide of an idea for the prices. Okay guys, so the next place we have is a place called a Weko Kitchen. This is an Indonesian and Western food. And this is the Western food available to you guys. hardwood tables, hardwood chairs. And then you have a great little place here that you can get some delightful little milkshakes and drinks from. Next place we have, guys, is a place called Clark and Young's Traditional Fish and Chips. Looks right like an English theme. You have hardwood tables, hardwood chairs, soft cushion seating. There's an idea of the prices, guys. This is an English menu, I can tell because I'm from England. They even have mushy peas. And then the next place that we're at, guys, is a place called Rio Corner. This is a Western and Japanese restaurant. Have hardwood tables, hardwood chairs, and a bamboo style counter. This place actually does sushi as well, which is very rare at these kind of places. Some great looking burgers here. And you also have some pasta dishes available. Just next door to Rio Corner, guys, you have a place called Green Warung. Tables, soft cushion seating. An idea of the prices, guys. And just next door to the Green Warung, you have a place called Deep Ion. Looks like a mixture again of Indonesian and Western style food. And you have wooden tables and soft cushion seating. Next door, guys, to the Payam, we have my real yummy dish. We have hardwood tables in here, hardwood chairs, and you also have some bench style seating as well in this place. So in a big group of you, nice. Food here also available, Indonesian and Western food. Here are the prices. This is Annie's Kitchen. Balinese food, Chinese and Indonesian food. Inside you have hardwood chairs and seating, and here you have hardwood benches and tables also. Here's an idea, just to give you some idea of the prices. The seating, hardwood tables, hardwood chairs, soft cushion seating, and then here's some idea of the prices. So the next place here is a place called Sriwijaya. Guys, menu. You even get dropped off by this, a beer cycle. Next place is a place called Bali Legian, which is pork satay, and then they cook it authentically here on the charcoal grill. They have all that. Okay guys, so that concludes my tour of the Legian food court here in Kuta / Legian. As you can see, it's full of many authentic little warung style places offering a huge array of food to you. I've actually never personally eaten here myself, however, just looking at the menu, I wouldn't say that they're really the lowest prices of this style of place. I was expecting them to be a bit cheaper, however there was many things on the menu that was reasonably priced. It depends if you're going for Western food, and I think the prices are going to be in general a little bit high. But if you stick to Indonesian simple dishes, then this might be a place for you. So glad to share this place with you guys. Hope it gives you another food dining option for here for your holiday in Bali, and I shall say bye for now.